Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Zalkifl. I reside here in Lancashire in Nelson. My job I work as an employment advisor. I heard about the Aafiyah course through Nelson Community Masjid, mashallah, so thanks Qari Saab. One of how it's benefited me, probably in a number of ways. The biggest one is probably the attachment to my children. Now both of them are teenagers, and yesterday for the first time ever, we actually got quite close. We bonded really well. It was quite surprising after I finished only the first day that my son was lingering around our bedroom, which has never happened before. So there must have been some energy that I had when I came back after the first day. And alhamdulillah, from an Islamic perspective, one of the greatest things I learned is how to breathe. So I recommend this course for everyone. Brothers ahead, thank you very much. And that's all from me, folks.